Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're giving you a tour of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. We just went through the Maypen toll plaza and we're going to look at the new section of the highway that was opened in September of last year. So the travel time from Kingston to Mandeville is now 40 minutes because of this new section of the highway. And the government announced that although the highway ends in Williamsfield now, they're going to be expanding the highway from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And they have actually started work on that project, and it should finish within the next 5 years. I don't think they've started the construction phase yet, but they've started the planning phase and the alignment. So work is being done to expand the highway. On the right you can see a nice road. They've actually paved it. Some development, Sunset, I don't remember the exact name. Sunset something is going to be built over there, a housing development. So okay, this is where the old highway or old section of the highway ended, and the new section starts somewhere out here, right where that white bus is in front of us. This is where the new highway, the new section starts. On the right, although it's blocked up now, is where the roundabout used to be for you to come off the highway, and they have totally removed the roundabout. They've even put up a fence. We're going to give you a drone tour of it just to show you how it looks now. You would never believe a highway was there, a roundabout was there. Alright, so this is the new bridge that they built, and it's the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. It's not the widest bridge in Jamaica because the Harborview Bridge is wider and the Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes. That one is wider. It's the widest 4-lane bridge. Sorry, this one is wider than Harborview, but of all the bridges that are 4 lanes, that one is the widest. Okay, this is the exit to the Maypen interchange now, which is the largest interchange in Jamaica. It's a diamond interchange, and it takes you to Maypen. Very nicely done. You have to say job well done to the government and job well done to China Harbour Engineering Company. And they had their facility over there on the left, but they have removed it, or they're in the process of removing the facility and moving it somewhere else. I'm not sure what's going on over here, but a lot of development is going to take place around this highway. We're going to come back and go into more detail with all these developments that we're passing along the road. But today we are actually heading to Mandeville, and we will keep you guys updated on all that's happening. So between Maypen and Mandeville now, you have one exit in Tollgate, and although we haven't timed it, they say between Maypen and Mandeville is now a 15-20 minute drive. But what's great is that you don't have to pay toll on the new section of the road. Now this road was built by the Jamaican government, and they are now looking for somebody to operate it as a toll road. So the toll plaza is built, but they just haven't finalized the agreement yet for the toll to be collected. So it's going to be free. You don't have to pay toll to use this road until April. And chances are come April they are going to extend the road. They won't, I doubt they're going to start charging toll in April either. But we'll talk about that in another video. This is a very nice road. This road is actually the standard for building highways in Jamaica now. 4-lane dual carriageway, concrete, or the Jersey barrier in the middle. This is the standard, and based on the traffic flow in Jamaica, this road works. A road like this can accommodate between 30 and 50,000 cars a day, easily without any problems. And based on the traffic flow in Jamaica, you don't need any road wider than this right now.